Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Hi, I'm Miss Ria. Nice to meet you again. This time this semester, the third semester of your 11th grade. I will teach you English untuk lintas minat, bahasa Inggris lintas minat untuk kelas 11 MIPA 3, 11 MIPA 4, dan 11 MIPA 5. And guys, after this, I'll explain you the first material of our lesson for the semester. And please keep watching and stay tuned on the video. And we have a lot of questions. Don't forget to ask me or even comment on the video. Give a comment on the video or just let me know if you have question on my WhatsApp maybe, Okay, so let's watch the explanation of our first lesson today. See you again. Okay, let's start our class today. And welcome to English class with Miss Ria, E-learning bahasa Inggris Mankota Palangkaraya. For this semester, we start the first material entitled I Suggest That. So this is the material for grade 11 science 3, 4, and 5. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment English with Miss Ria channel, and this is the basic competence for our material, Okay, I introduce myself again. I'm Ria Rapika. I'll be your English teacher this semester. Nice to see you all. Okay, let's start. It's suggestions, So before we start the lesson, let's watch this video first. And what do you think about it? I think I'm gonna change my podcast today. Let me check the new one. It's the old one, Okay. My God, it doesn't look good again. What should I do?
What happened? Your podcast is bad now? It doesn't look good. Let's go to the phone store or company. Let's go.
Yup, that's a good idea. Let's go then. Okay. Is it interesting video or is it funny video, do you think? You can keep your opinion about it, or maybe you can comment under the video on this channel, the comment column under this video, Okay, what is suggestion? Suggestion is used to introduce or propose an idea or a plan for someone's consideration, and it is abstract. It can be in form of solution, advices, plans, and ideas, and suggestions can be accepted or refused, Okay, then social function for suggestion is to facilitate interpersonal communication between different people, So I think in general conversation of daily life, suggestion is already a common thing in our life, atau it's like giving saran atau ngasih pendapat, ide, dan lain. Now the next slide is about the expression, the expression about suggestions. I divide it into 3 parts, The first part is we can use why don't we, Kenapa kita enggak gitu. Artinya why don't we plus verb V1 is verb 1, verb base, and it is suggestion but it is also questions, ngasih saran gitu. Why don't we plus verb 1, and then let's kepanjangan dari let us bukan let is, So let's plus verb 1 also. And then you can also use you might want to change blah blah blah, and then the middle part, yeah, I suggest that plus subject plus verb 1 atau verb base. Saya menyarankan bahwa bla bla bla, bisa seperti itu ya. And then if you also want to suggest but in what is it, in other meaning, ya, negative one, ya, you can use I don't think blah blah blah, ya. I think, we recommend that, I propose that, we advise that, seperti itu. We recommend, kami merekomendasikan, ya. So for the subject here, we can replace or substitute with the subject or the pronoun that we want to use, ya. Misalnya kalau we recommend ini bisa pakai I recommend, seperti itu. She recommends me, seperti itu. Bisa juga, ya. Bisa diganti kalau subjek, asalkan mengikuti pola yang seperti itu, ya. Propose, menyarankan, advice, beri nasihat, ya, atau menasihati. Kemudian the second part, we can use for the short thing, ya, giving suggestion. What about plus verb ing? Misalnya nih, what about going to Palma? Saya ngasih saran seperti itu, ya, mau jalan kemana entah kemana gitu kan, bisa kasih saran seperti itu, atau pola yang seperti itu. What about plus verb ing? And also how about plus verb ing? And we could plus verb 1, ya, we could, ini bisa seperti we could go to Metos maybe, ya, this afternoon. Could ini memang dalam bentuk past, tapi kalau dalam present, ya, bisa dipakai dalam present, bermakna ya bisa atau dapat, ya. Ya, dan semoga bisa dipakai ini ungkapan-ungkapannya dalam kasih saran, ya, suggestions. I hope it can be useful. And then let's go on to the next slide, ya. Okay, let's have a look for the example also. I have given you a previous example. Now let's have a look also again for another examples, ya. So for making suggestion, let's see, let's go to the cinema, and then abstractingnya, yes, let's go. Kalau refusingnya, no thank you, I have an appointment atau apa gitu, kasih alasan, ya, tidak tapi terima kasih. Kemudian I think you should go and forgive her. Okay, if you say so. Kalau refusingnya, sorry I can't, ya. And then the last example, how about going to Tangkiling Hill? Kalau nerima, misalnya nerima saran itu, yes, it's a good idea, let's go. Kalau nge-refuse atau menolaknya, no, I think Karang Bangkirai port is better, let's go to Karang Bangkirai then, kayak gitu, ya, contohnya. Nah, sekarang kita ke PR kalian. Jadi ini ada dua, ya, ada penilaian yang pengetahuan dan juga yang keterampilan. Nah, pengetahuan itu di KI3 e-learning kalian. Nah, di situ nanti kalian akan lihat tugasnya dan upload di situ. You need to write and make a short conversation using suggestions, ya, using the previous suggestion. I think untuk tema dan the topic of the conversation could be free, ya, as long as bisa dipahami aja dan tidak keluar jalur gitu, ya. Terus setelah kalian tulis, misalnya di buku conversationnya dipoto itu, upload JPG-nya atau kalian ketik di ini. Lebih simpel ditulis aja deh, ya, tulis di buku catatan atau latihan percakapannya, kemudian kalian upload. Setelah kalian upload, nanti saya perbaiki. I need to correct some mistake maybe if you got. And also untuk grammarnya, nah setelah saya perbaiki nih percakapan kalian, baru kalian nanti tengok ke pengambilan nilai yang keterampilan. In KI4, you need to make a video using the conversation you have written, and then use landscape ratio, good lighting, and clear sound. Upload it in KI4, ya. You can use role playing, or maybe you can ask help from your friend, ya. bisa teman satu kelasnya pasti ada kayak apa ya, kayak video sebelumnya yang kalian tonton mungkin ya, roleplay yang saya mainkan di video sebelumnya, percakapan antara dua orang, boleh kita sendiri tapi dimainkan cuma satu orang kayak gitu ya. Untuk aplikasi, for the application you can use any kinds, any types of application. Saya menyerahkan kepada kalian aja asalkan tidak mengganggu handphone kalian ya, ceketnya atau gimana gitu. To our next slide. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video of the lesson today. And thank you so much for your attention. And if you got any question, you can find me in WhatsApp group and learning. Yeah. Change your language and you change your thoughts. Carl Albrecht. Hello, I'm back again. Gimana? How is it? Did you understand so far about our first material? And I hope you can understand because I have already made it simply for you. And you have a lot of questions or some questions that just let me know and ask me on WhatsApp, yeah. And don't forget to do your assignment, your homework on learning our class in KI3 and also KI4. Thank you so much for 11 Science 3, 4, and 5 for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, or even share this video. Thank you so much for paying attention for the explanation today, and I'll see you again next 2 weeks for the next video. Yeah, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.